What's up YouTube, Varnesh here and welcome to the channel. This video is meant to serve as my 500 subscriber thank you. So let's dig right in. So, I can't say thank you enough to every single one of you for subscribing to the channel, being a part of this community. Over the last several weeks, comments on all of the videos have just skyrocketed. I love interacting with every single one of you. If you haven't had the chance yet to be a part of those comment sections, make sure you're checking out those videos, replying to the videos. I usually have a prompt in every video saying, hey, if you think, down in the comments below sort of thing. Check it out. I love talking with a lot of you, and I'm starting to get used to your names. And I'm looking forward to 2017 in terms of videos. I'm hoping that I can start streaming this year. You see some goodies behind me here. So we got, doing this right, I think. I got a case over here. The motherboard and the video card are in as well. And then we got the CPU cooler and some SSD action up there. And I'm waiting on a few other parts. I need a CPU and RAM, and the power supply is still to come in, but we're getting there. So here in a couple weeks, I'll be able to start putting that beast together, which means videos are going to come out faster. That is going to be a heck of a machine for rendering out videos and editing videos. I'm looking forward to that. But it does mean the possibility for streaming is going to be happening very soon. So make sure you are following me on Twitter. That's where I'll do a lot of those announcements. So, hey, what can I expect? Well, that's where you can expect to find that information out as quickly as possible. And, that I want to remind you that over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be in Israel and Palestine traveling with a group for my master's program. And so I will be out of the country. Well, as you may have noticed, I use wireless microphones when I record, and didn't check the battery levels before I started. So we're gonna try and finish this up real quick. But starting actually tomorrow, from the time this video is posted, I will be in Israel and Palestine for 2 weeks. That means my interactions and my current content is going to be slowed down a little, but I am recording video ahead of time to schedule and make sure that there's still stuff showing up on the channel while I am out of the country. So you can still see videos from me. Most likely it's going to be epic weapon reviews coming up. I got a few things I told everyone I would finish up, so I'm going to get those out of the way. And then when I get back, we're going to hit the ground running. But do expect me to reply to comments while I'm out of the country. It's just going to be a huge time difference from when I would normally reply to any comments that you have. Words. There are no words coming out of my mouth right now that I can think of. So what's cool, we have a PC build happening. I am leaving for Israel and Palestine for 2 weeks starting tomorrow, and we have 500 subscribers, over 500 now. Actually, we hit that over the weekend. And I want to say thank you. Without you guys, this would not be possible. This kind of fun creating content for you on YouTube would just not be possible. I absolutely love it. I enjoy it, and I look forward to spending 2017 with you and seeing what kind of trouble we can get into on YouTube. Until next time.